Hello everyone, I'm currently sitting in my room and this is my living space, but it's also my workshop or my studio. And today I'm going to show you what I have done in this room to make it a good place to work. So first I thought I'd show you around real quick. We're currently looking at my couch, and over here is my working table. Here you can see my closet. Then over here we have my bed table, my sink, and my shelf. Here on the side of the couch we have my UFO pile, so my unfinished projects. So I have a bunch of drawings I'm working on, some clothes that need mending, and this skirt which I've been working on for over half a year now, and it's still not finished, so things like that. So this is the shelf in my bookshelf for books related to arts or my skills. So over here we have a bunch of books related to theater and musicals. Then over here we have a bunch of books related to drawing, a bunch of books related to language, and then over here books related to history, sewing, historical costumes, traditional clothes, and all that stuff. Under my bed I keep my supplies in these two boxes. There's one box with art and drawing supplies and one box with fabric and sewing supplies. I hope to get more boxes because especially in the drawing supplies I usually cannot find what I'm looking for, and I have to like turn the whole box upside down to find my things. And I would like to keep my supplies and my fabrics and my supplies and my paper separated, so I hope to get 2 more boxes that fit under my bed, so then I have everything neatly organized. But you can tell my my fabric supplies aren't used as much, so they're neater. And then we finally arrive at the actual workplace, or the place where I work, not just where I store my supplies. This is my table. It may look like a bit of a mess right now, but it's actually quite well organized. Over here on this side we have all my wet work supplies, so paint, ink, whatever. I use this glass tray to keep my table as clean as possible. My drink is also on this side. Then here, the painting that I'm working on, reference images that I'm using. This is a bit of research that I'm doing about the queer scene in Berlin in the 1920s, because that's what my project is about. Then on this side, I have, here I have, other reference images and other works that are in the same project so that I know what I'm doing. Here we have also more reference things, quick sketches of what I want to do. Then this is my just my pencils and my drawing supplies, and then over here we have my pens. So this is more the dry supplies that won't kill my table. Quick update, I filmed that last video a week ago, and I have since obtained a TV screen so that I can work more comfortably without hurting my back. So you see I have my drawing on my screen, reference picture on my other screen, and then more like reference pictures and stuff next to me. This is my new workspace. This was my workshop tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something.